Take care of your glasses and they can last for years. Once you have glasses, you want to take care of them so they can last as long as possible. Consumer Reports offer some tips to extend the life of your glasses. Wipe your glasses with a special cloth and do not wipe them with other cloths while dry. Do not use paper products to clean your glasses. Do not use ammonia, bleach, vinegar, or window cleaner on your glasses. Do not spit on your lenses to clean them. Clean your glasses with warm water and a pea-sized amount of dish detergent. Dry with a soft cotton cloth. Use a hard shell case to safely transport your glasses, keeping lenses face upwards when you put them down, and that prevents scratching. Use both hands to take the glasses on and off to prevent warping the frame. Do not leave glasses in a hot car because the plastic can warp. Glasses can be a trendy fashion statement regardless of your age and how often you wear these corrective items. Taking care of them extends their life. Getting your eyes checked regularly means you have the most up-to-date prescription to improve your eyesight.